More personalized learning by reducing latency in grading. Haden Lee from University of San Francisco.
Motivation for automated grading. When grading takes place only after the deadline, providing personalized, detailed feedback is difficult. The lack of timely feedback can also undermine students' learning experiences. In this work, we propose to provide automated real-time feedback along with just enough hint so as to encourage students to make incremental progress and to supplement automated grading by personalized code reviews and feedback. Course setup. The course's title was Data Processing in the Cloud, where students learned how to design MapReduce jobs using Apache Beam Java SDK. The course featured 10 weekly labs, 5 bi-weekly projects, and an optional side project. The learning outcomes of this course included how to use Apache Beam Java SDK, how to design efficient MapReduce pipelines, and how to run those pipelines using Google Cloud's data flow service. The automated grading system was developed to help students get their code assessed anytime they want. When the student pushes local changes to a remote GitHub repository, it would be automatically pulled and graded using Jenkins, Docker, and Gradle. If the code fails any test, then one of the failed test cases may be automatically shared. Real-time feedback and code reviews. Students were not penalized by the number of submissions, and they were rather encouraged to make incremental changes. The grading system would automatically share some of the test cases, called shareable tests, one at a time if applicable. The latency from submission to grading was typically within 3 to 7 minutes. To provide personalized feedback, the instructor left suggestions and compliments as comments in students' commits. These comments were made on a daily basis. For larger assignments, a GitHub issue was created to provide a more comprehensive code review for each student for each assignment. In the example shown here, the instructor suggested that the student use a predefined p-transform in Beam instead of reinventing the wheel. Dashboard. To help students keep track of their progress, a live dashboard was provided as a web page with their names anonymized. They could download their reports from the dashboard as soon as their code was graded. Lessons learned. Most students strongly agreed that both automated grading and personalized code reviews maximized their learning experiences. Most students also liked how a hint was provided as it helped them debug code efficiently. 2 students had to work on assignments during unusual hours, yet they were able to make incremental changes whenever they could and still received personalized feedback from the instructor. Future work. Expanding this system to group assignments or lower-level introductory courses will face new challenges, including how and when a hint should be provided. GitHub Education now offers auto-grading, but it does not support hints or similar features yet.
Thank you for watching, and please join me during the poster session at ACM ICER 2020.